Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a quick back to school makeup look. This is going to be something really short, under 30 minutes. That's what I'm aiming for. I can't promise it. But something that's really a light beat, really quick and simple. I know going back to school, especially that first day, you can have like first day jitters, nervousness, and so you may not want to spend too much time on your makeup, but you still want to look good, you know? So that's the look that I'm going to be giving you guys. Before I jump into the video, be sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. And yeah, I'm going to take these glasses off. So I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. A really quick hack you guys probably already know for people who wear glasses, if you don't want that crease there, you just don't want your makeup rubbing off there, I like to take some NYX glitter primer and I like to just put a little bit on my hand and rub it in right where my glasses are gonna be. I'm gonna use today the Maybelline Super Stay Cream to Matte foundation, and I'm in the shade 330. I think that's toffee or caramel or something like that. I believe this is my shade. And I'm just going to put, oh guys, I completely forgot to start the timer. Wow, I'm tripping. I told you guys I'm aiming for under 30 minutes. So I'm gonna put it on 30 just to be on the safe side. We're starting 30 minutes, okay? And I'm gonna blend this out just with a foundation brush. Okay, I'm back. I needed to adjust the camera position. I needed to adjust a lot of things. Anyway, I went ahead and applied one layer of that stick foundation, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply another. And I did stop the timer just because I had to fix the camera situation, but I'm gonna go ahead and start it back. So I stopped it at 28 minutes and 25 seconds. So it's back on resume. I feel like this summer, honestly, zoomed by. I'm gonna take the LA Pro Conceal and Cool Tan. For the most part, these are all drugstore products. If you are trying to go back to school looking beat on a budget. And then just on top, I'm going to put my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this is in Medium Dark 32. And I just like to put that on top of that LA Pro Conceal just to brighten it up a little. This lighting looks really bright here, so I'm just going to dial it back a second. That looks a little better. It was like way too bright. I don't know what was going on. So, quick little tip. When you're running late and you don't really want to do too much makeup and you know you're on a time constraint, I like to take this tinted brow gel and I like to just go over my brows, filling in any of the spaces that I see. And look, you didn't even fill in your brows with like a pencil or a gel really or anything like that. You just use some eyebrow gel. And you got lit brows. It's really quick, and I still got 20 minutes, y'all. I still got 20 minutes. Y'all. Oh, that was the wrong one. Jesus. I'm like, why is it so dark? Tripping. This is like literally accurate because when I used to be rushing to do my makeup for class, I would be using products that like I didn't use, like using the wrong concealer because I was rushing. There we have it. Brows are done. I was really just thinking the other day, it was my birthday weekend. I was out with my best friend. And I was like having a moment where I was just like, wow, I've really been out of high school for a while now. Like, it feels crazy. Like, it feels like yesterday. Like, it doesn't feel like it's been that long. And that's a crazy feeling. Anyway, I'm going to take my bronzer. I just like to use the Fit Me Matte Poreless Setting Powder in 360. And I like this bronzer because I feel like it's not that orange. Like some bronzers are really, really orange on my skin. I don't want to be out here looking like a Cheeto. I was about to say something else, but I'm going to refrain. I'm going to set my face with the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder and Tan. I hope you guys had a wonderful summer. It flew by. And this is how you know I'm rushing and I'm tripping in the morning. I didn't even set my under eyes. Bugged. I'm gonna go with the under eye setting concoction. So I'm just gonna set everywhere that I applied that concealer, and I'm not gonna bake. I'm literally just like pressing it into my skin. I really don't bake around these parts no more because I don't care for it. And I'm just gonna go back in with that same brush that I used that Sephora Micro Smooth Powder with. I am feeling a little spicy, a little extra today. And if I had time in the morning, now I will say, so up until recently, I was not a blush person at all. And I'm kind of becoming one now. So if I have time, I will put blush on. I'm gonna use the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. And I'm gonna take the blush that's in this. This is in the light to medium palette. I'm gonna use the blush right here. I am gonna go back in with my contour shade, and I'm gonna take a blending brush and I'm gonna put that right in my crease, because truthfully, nobody trying to have a whole eyeshadow look at school. Like, I know I'm not. Like, I'm really going for a super like subtle, natural type beat. And guys, literally I have 11 minutes left, if you can see right there. So I'm going to put my highlighter on, and I'm using the Maybelline, I'm lying. You know what? I am. I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and this is in Molten Gold. We trying to be like beaming, but not like beaming, you know? Lastly, I'm going to go in with my mascara. Now I'm going to be using two different mascaras. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex for my top lashes. And then I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara for my bottom. Just because this wand is really small. And I didn't even curl my eyelashes, but that's okay because we're being realistic, right? So sometimes when you're rushing in the morning, when you're trying to get out the house in a timely manner, you have to sacrifice some things. And one of the things that I sacrificed was curling my eyelashes. And to be honest, I don't do that on a regular anyway. Told you I'm giving y'all a realistic vibe. We had 8 minutes, y'all. 8 minutes. Now I am gonna let the top lashes dry just a little before I do my bottom. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go in with some lip gloss. You have some options, okay? I'm gonna give y'all options. You got your Beauty Supply Store, EBIN, New York, 24 Jelly. You got your Victoria's Secret satin gloss. Now, don't mind the black stuff that's on it. That's just eyelash glue. And this is my favorite. The shine on this lip gloss, unlike any other. It's up there with MAC. And then my favorite at the time is the Lip Plumping Gloss by e.l.f. And this is in Pink Cosmos. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this on. Oh, it is definitely time for me to exfoliate my lips because they're a little rough. And I'm just going to take that Victoria's Secret one and put it right on top because we want some gloss, okay? What little mama say? My lip gloss is popping. And I'm gonna go in with, you got 6 minutes, y'all. My bottom lashes. My lips are just really crusty right now. I'm gonna do some lip exfoliating tonight because some things. I'm just gonna take that Victoria's Secret one because it's not picking up like my little crusties on my lip like the other one is. This is the look, and y'all, not even joking, I'm gonna pause it right now. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. I did this look in under 30 minutes, still with 3 minutes and 50 seconds left to spare, okay? That's not bomb, that's not bomb. And it looks good. Our makeup is done and we're ready to be off to school. Your glasses, can't forget the glasses. Poppin', okay? Get into it. So your makeup is done, under 30 minutes. You finesse that. All you gotta do is go ahead and grab your books and your book bag and you're on your way to school. So I hope you guys enjoyed this back to school quick makeup look. I really tried and stayed under 30 minutes, okay? So I'm gonna pat myself on the back there, and I think that it went really good. I think it looks really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, be sure to comment down below, like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next video. Bye guys.